Student, the next question of exercise 2.8, the question number 4. If q is equal to under root 2 plus under root 3, find the value of q minus 1 upon q and q square plus 1 upon q square. So firstly we have to find the value of q is given to you 1 upon q. Since q is equal to under root 2 plus under root 3, now we have to find the value 1 upon q. There is 1 and the value of q is equal to under root 2 plus under root 3. We multiply and divide with the conjugate, that is multiply with the numerator, that is 2 minus under root 3, and divide with under root 2 minus 3. The same term we get. Under root 2 minus under root 3, under root 2 minus under root 3. That is 1 multiply this term, and this term will be also multiply with this. So that is equal to 1. 1 multiply under root 2 minus under root 3. Here apply the difference of 2 square, under root 2 square, plus into minus minus, under root 3 square. So there will be 1 upon q, that is equal to under root 3 minus under root 3, under root 2 minus under root 3. In the denominator, under root 2 square will be equal to 2 minus under root 3 square is equal to 3. If you subtract, there will be 1 upon q, which is equal to under root 2 minus under root 3 divided by 2 minus under root 3. Sign of the greater number minus 3 is plus 2, which will be equal to minus 1. The 1 upon q is equal to under root 2 minus under root 3 upon 1. So we need the denominator positive. So we multiply and divide with the negative sign both the terms. Here we can multiply, then it will become as 1 upon q minus bracket under root 2 minus under root 3 bracket close. Here divide with minus 1 bracket minus 1 bracket close. So multiply 1 upon q, which is equal to minus into plus minus under root 2 minus into minus plus under root 3 minus into minus plus 1. If plus 1 and we divide, the same result will be there. So 1 upon q is equal to minus under root 2 plus under root 3. So student, till here you firstly solve. Then we have to find the q minus 1 upon q as in the given the question. So q minus 1 upon q is equal to under root 2 plus under root 3 minus, as in the sign before the one value of 1 upon q, the put the value bracket minus under root 2 plus under root 3. Open these brackets. Q minus 1 upon q is equal to under root 2 plus under root 3 plus minus into minus plus under root 2 plus into minus into plus, that is minus under root 3. Simplify that. 3 plus under root 3 minus under root 3 cancel. Then under root 2 plus under root 2, which is equal to 2 under root 2. I want to explain you the example, that is a plus a we have solved in class 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 also. That is coefficient is 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2a. So answer is q minus 1 upon q is equal to 2 under root 2. So we have to find q square plus 1 upon q square. Now we have the value of it, that is q minus 1 upon q is equal to 2 under root 2. So we have to take the squaring both side, that is q minus 1 upon q square, which is equal to 2 under root 2 square. Apply the formula, different a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. We already practice and learn. I gave you these formulas. So q minus 1 upon q whole square, that is equal to q square first term square minus 2 into q into 1 upon q first term into second term plus second term square, that is 1 upon q square, that is 2 square, 2 to the 4 under root 2 is equal to 2. Now that is q square minus this numerator and denominator in the q cancel, q and q cancel, the minus 2 will be there plus 1 upon q square, which is equal to 8. This is your minus 2 number one side and variable one side. That is q square plus 1 upon q square is equal to 8. This 2, the sign transfer for sign of equivalency one end to other end, that is minus 2 will be changed as the plus 2. So q square plus 1 upon q square is equal to 2 plus 8, 10. In the previous question, we apply the formula difference of 2 square as well as a plus b the whole square. In this question, a difference of 2 square and a minus b whole square. So you practice this formula and these questions 4 times, 3 times you can practice. Then it is no difficulty for you. Do the practice. Thank you. God bless you.